Hi, everyone! Today we're featuring Dazuma's custom square outdoor column. Lights with striped decorative LED lighting. The box contains one package of product accessories and one main unit. First, remove the 4 mounting screws from the product base and set them aside in a safe place. Please remove the bottom cover of the product base. Place the product's base covered at the location where you plan to install the product and mark it. Use an electric drill to drill holes at the marked points. Hammer the 4 expansion screws from the accessory kit into the holes. Remove the caps from all 4 expansion bolts. Each expansion bolt has 3 small parts. Please keep them in a safe place. Place the bottom cover on the product. Reattach the nuts and metal washers from the expansion bolts you removed earlier, following our installation sequence. Connect the power cord on the product's base to your power source, then close the product. Reinstall the 4 mounting screws from the product base that you removed earlier. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.